Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Centennial Bank account. If you've recently enrolled for online banking for Centennial Bank account and you'd like to log into your account, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up a web browser. In the address bar at the top of the screen, type in www.mycentennial.bank and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official website for Centennial Bank, which looks like this. In order to log into your account, go to the login button at the top right corner and give it a click. In the pop-up menu that appears on the screen, choose whether you would like to log into personal account or your business account. Let me choose the personal option. Now, right where it says username, type in your username that is associated with your bank account. Once you do that, head over to the password text field, type in your password into the text box. Make sure to type it in correct. If you don't remember your password, then you can click on this forgot password link right beneath the login button and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you are not enrolled for online banking yet, click on the enrollment form, follow the procedure, and you'll be able to register for online banking for Centennial Bank account. After everything's typed in, click on the login button, and soon after you do that, you'll be logged into Centennial Bank account in no time. That is how it is done. It's pretty quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.